In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview website in Webflow. Start by opening your Webflow project in the designer. Make sure you're looking at the page you want to review, with your layout and interactions already in place. The designer view is where you'll do all your styling, but we'll switch into a true, live-like view to test how everything behaves. To see your site as a visitor would, click the preview toggle in the top toolbar. It looks like an eye icon. And when it's on, editing is disabled so you don't accidentally move anything. In this mode, interactions, animations, and scroll effects all run. So it's perfect for catching issues that don't show up in the static designer canvas. Now, work through the responsive views by clicking the highlighted device icons across the toolbar. Start with the default desktop view to confirm your spacing, typography, and larger components look clean. Then click the tablet view and scan for elements that wrap or overflow. Continue by selecting Mobile Landscape and then Mobile Portrait. Each time you click a highlighted device, Webflow simulates that screen size, so pay attention to navigation behavior, button tap areas, and stacking order. If something feels tight or misaligned, make a mental note. You can pop back to the designer after previewing to fix it. When you're happy with the basic views, click Share in the top right area of the designer to generate a preview link. This lets teammates or stakeholders open a live preview without needing edit access. A small panel will appear with sharing options. Copy the link if you need it, then click Dismiss to close the panel and return to your workspace. Next, open the breakpoint controls by clicking the highlighted breakpoint menu. This is where you can manage which screen sizes you design for. Choose. Add large breakpoints to extend your responsive toolkit beyond the defaults. When prompted, click. Add a breakpoint to style larger screens. This creates additional size ranges, great for ultra-wide monitors, so your layouts don't look stretched on big displays. With those added, you can return to preview at any time and switch among the new sizes just like you did with the default devices, ensuring typography scales well and wide grids maintain balance. That's it. You've entered preview, checked each responsive view, shared a live preview link, and enabled large breakpoints for more precise control. Use this workflow every time